Hello, I am Manikanta, a diligent trainee. I am pursuing my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Aditya Engineering College. My skill set includes Java, Python, problem solving, and SQL. I have done global certifications like MT in both Java and Python, HackerRank certifications like Java, Python, as well as in problem solving. I have also solved more than 250 plus programs in LeetCode. I have been part of all coding program in our college, which helped me to build my coding skills as well as my soft skills. I am very good at planning and coordinating. In this regard, I worked as a central coordinator in farewell event at our college. I represented Andhra Pradesh in National Athletic Meet where I secured bronze medal. I never give up when I am in track, which helped me to never give up on any activity I take up. I have done 15 days internship in HSL Vizag on radars in ships. I always carry positive attitude wherever I am. I strongly believe it's not go through the life, it's grow through the life. Thank you.